Up for bids this quick sale if it sells by May 27th. Otherwise, it'll sit in my yard for a month and I'll come back and work on it. 10,000 cash will buy this van between now and Wednesday. Come and get it.
SRS light is on. Imagine we can clear that code.
This is a 4-day get it while it's hot sale. If it doesn't sell by Wednesday this week, that is, May 26th. If you don't get it with 10,000 cash by May 26th, I will clean it up, spruce it up, put an interior build in it, and sell it for much, much more next month when I return from vacation.